All right, now that I've got my preferred cut of meat, steak into my pan here, I've added 30 ounces of cream of mushroom soup. Alrighty, now I'm gonna bring in my onion soup and dip mix. And I'm just gonna put in my onion soup mix, just like this. We're getting it all in here. And this is 2 ounces, 1 ounce, 1 ounce. And now I'm adding in 2 packets of brown gravy mix. Whoop. Just gonna get all of this out of here. Woo! Ooh, it smells good. Alrighty, now we're coming in with our low sodium beef broth. And I'm gonna start pouring this all over our wonderful ingredients we have in here. We're making a super easy, extremely flavorful dinner here. Great. And now the nice thing about the chuck roast having this bone in is you can sort of use it as a handle and just begin mixing this liquid all together if you want, or you could get a whisk, you could get a spatula. I'm just kind of doing them this way. It was creating a little bit more waves than I was thinking it was going to. Let's see. And we're gonna start, look at this. You just rub this all over your chuck roast here. It's gonna bring such a great flavor. Now you could add, like if you wanted to have some mushrooms in here, you could totally put your mushrooms in. That would be delicious in this as well. Or really, whatever you wanna, ooh, that had so much good flavor on it. I don't wanna knock that off. Yeah, whatever veggies you wanted to cook in this too would be really delicious. I'm keeping it super simple today. Just those kind of 4 ingredients. You don't have to use the beef broth. You could use water for that if you prefer. We've got our meat, our onion soup mix, cream of mushroom, brown gravy, and optional water or beef broth. Alrighty, y'all, I am gonna cover this with some foil, but I am cooking these chuck roasts low and slow, 300 degrees for about 3 hours. Alrighty, everyone, we ended up cooking this for 4 hours at 300 degrees. Look how beautiful our chuck roast look. Now, the great thing about these pans, they're totally disposable. Oh, so tender. Wow, I gotta get to the other side where the bone isn't. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the great thing is you can just pick, any kind of meat that you like, any cut of steak, and it will turn out fantastic because of this process. Alrighty, I am gonna get myself a nice slice of this over some mashed potatoes. Just a little bit of gravy on here. And this would have been so good with mushrooms in it. I don't know about y'all, but I am a huge mushroom lover. So next time I'm definitely gonna put some mushrooms in there. Look how tender this is. It's just falling apart. Let me get this delicious bite. Some potatoes, some gravy. Wow, that's good. Y'all, this is so good. You gotta try it.